Good afternoon. Today we have no live class, so we can discuss some multiple choice questions in this class. First question. A virtual image is 3 times the size of the object. Is obtained with a concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 cm. Find the distance of the object from the mirror, that is u. We know that magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Magnification means ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ സൈസിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് ഇമേജിൻ്റെ സൈസ് എത്രയുണ്ട് എന്നാണ് മാഗ്നിഫിക്കേഷൻ കൊണ്ട് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So in this question magnification is 3 times the size of the object, that is m is equal to 3. So from this equation v is equal to minus 3 into u. And from the question we are given r is equal to minus 36 cm. So radius of curvature എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 36 ആണ്. കോൺകേവ് മിറർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ റേഡിയസ് ഓഫ് കർവേച്ചർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ദി മിറർ, മിററിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലായിരിക്കും. സോ r is equal to minus 36 cm. Then we can calculate f is equal to r by 2, which is equal to minus 36 by 2 is equal to minus 18 centimeter. Then using mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So substituting the values 1 by v. V is equal to minus 3 into u. Okay, plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. F is equal to minus 18. Then we can cross multiply 1 into u plus 1 into minus 3u divided by minus 3u into u. Okay, which is equal to 1 into u plus 1 into minus 3u. So minus 3 into u divided by minus 3u into u minus 3u square. So we can cut u 1. Okay. So from this equation 1 minus 3 by minus 3u. So 1 minus 3 by minus 3u is equal to 1 by minus 18. ഈ മൈനസ് നമ്മൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. So from this equation we can calculate u is equal to minus 2 into 18 divided by 3. Then we get minus 12 centimeters. So u, that is object distance, u is 12 centimeter from the concave mirror. Concave mirrorൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ 12 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലായിരിക്കും object distance. Okay. Next question. An object is kept in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. The image formed is 3 times the size of the object. Calculate the two possible distances of the image from the mirror. ഫോക്കൽ ലെങ്ത് 20 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററുള്ള ഒരു കോൺകേവ് മിററിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ ഒരു ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇമേജ് ഫോംഡ് ഈസ് 3 ടൈംസ് ദി സൈസ് ഓഫ് ദി ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ സൈസിൻ്റെ 3 ടൈംസ് മാഗ്നിഫൈഡ് ആണ് സൈസ് ഓഫ് ദി ഇമേജ്. സോ മാഗ്നിഫിക്കേഷൻ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 3 എന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2 പോസിബിൾ ഇമേജ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Focal length f is equal to 20 cm and magnification is equal to 3 are given in the question. When image is virtual, m is equal to negative, that is m is equal to positive, that is m is equal to plus 3. Image virtual ആണെങ്കിൽ magnification positive ആയിരിക്കും, that is m is equal to plus 3. We know m is equal to minus v by u, which is equal to 3. So v is equal to minus 3u. So using mirror formula 1 by minus 3u plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 20. f is equal to minus 1 by minus 20 ആണ്. Focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by u minus 1 by 3u. Using cross multiplication we get u is equal to minus 40 by 3 which is equal to 13.3 centimeter. 13.3 centimeter. So we have to calculate image distance v is equal to minus 3u which is equal to minus 3 into minus 13.3 which is u is equal to minus 40 by 3 which is equal to minus 13.3. So v is equal to plus 39.9 centimeter. That is when the image is virtual distance of the image distance is 39.9 centimeter. Next, when the image is real, image real ആണെങ്കിൽ magnification negative ആയിരിക്കും. So m is equal to minus 3. So m is equal to minus v by u which is equal to minus 3. So v is equal to 3u. So using mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v which is equal to 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by 3u. Okay, by simplification using cross multiplication we get 1 by minus 20 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3u. So using from this equation 3u by 4 is equal to minus 20. So from this equation u is equal to minus 20 into 4 by 3 that is u is equal to minus 80 by 3 which is equal to minus 26.6 centimeter. Now we have to calculate v is equal to 3u which is equal to 3 into minus 26.6 centimeter which is equal to minus 80 centimeter. That is when the image is real the image distance is 80 centimeter minus 80 centimeter. From the concave mirror നിന്നും that is concave mirrorന്റെ left side 80 centimeter ആയിരിക്കും image distance. Next question. Radius of concave mirror is 40 centimeter and size of the image is real. It is twice as that of the size of the object. Then the object distance is focal length of a concave mirror is negative. So focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter. That is r is equal to minus 40 then f is equal to r by 2 is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Magnification is equal to 2 that is size of the image is twice that of the object. So m is equal to 2 but the image is real so m magnification is negative. So m is equal to minus 2. That is m is equal to minus v by u is equal to minus 2. So v is equal to 2u. Using mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. We get equation 1 by 2u plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by minus 20. Using cross multiplication we get u that is object distance u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. That is cross multiplication.